They were first built in 1941, World War II vintage trainer. There are a few of them still going, obviously. There's one hanging from the rafters at the Smithsonian Air and Space Museum in Washington. And Harrison Ford is an avid pilot. He likes to fly anything he can get his hands on. He owns several fixed-wing and rotor aircraft. And Santa Monica Airport is his home base. That golf course, I've landed my plane at Santa Monica. Part of the noise abatement procedure is that they encourage you to fly over that golf course because the neighbors don't like that airport very much, and so it's not surprising that he ended up there.
All right, I'm sorry to interrupt you. All please stand by. We want to go now to this live press conference on what happened to Harrison Ford. Let's listen in.
In fair to moderate condition. At this point, that is the extent of our initial report here. Like we say, we are bound by privacy laws to never discuss
printing the words at the bottom of the screen
or any
on
information that would
CNN.
reveal a patient's